Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Veneno and this is by Hot Wheels from their Speed Mission series, or you can see car culture series. So this is not mine exactly. So this is one of my friends, he actually gave this to me to just to unbox. So he is like me, usually, opens everything. So I think he bought this somewhere around 1,000 rupees from Facebook. So again, just sit in Facebook and go through, guys. You will get it. So that's what he is also doing, and he's also able to get all these things. Okay. So I do have a Veneno Roadster. I do have a Veneno by Kyosho. Uh, you know, so I will be unboxing those premium brands like Kyosho and all shortly. Once once I'm back from a travel and all. Okay, so let's talk about this particular casting. So it looks really nice, but it does have some paint issues here, as you can see the top. So typical Hot Wheels casting, and the headlights are painted as usual. So the logo placement is okay, but it is not really clear. And the paint job looks okay. So it's a full metal car, So everything is metal, The chassis, the body, everything is metal, and these, you know, it is supposed to have some kind of vent here, to look at the engine detailing, but they painted it black. So the tail light details are also painted. So it has some interior detail to it, which is really nice. So the wheels are actually rubber. Since I think so, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the first time I'm looking at this. Okay, maybe since it comes under Speed Mission series, they actually made this wheels as plastic. So this wheels are actually plastic. This is not rubber. So usually when you take any premium, any Hot Wheels premium, the wheels will be rubber. You can see it here. Let me just. You can see it here. If you remember, I unboxed all these things. All these things, all these cars actually has rubber wheels. So maybe just just because this comes under Speed Mission series, maybe I'm hoping that this will perform well in track because they have plastic wheels and full metal casting. Okay, let's first weigh this casting. It's actually heavy. I'm hoping that it will reach somewhere around 50 grams. 54, that is way too heavy. So I'm just hoping that it will perform well in the track. Let's see. Okay, that is the worst. Honestly, I was really expecting a lot from this casting given that it's way too heavy and it has plastic wheels which will easily slip through this track instead of a rubber wheel. And it has a lot of wheel wobble as well. I mean, seriously, you name it Speed Machine and you are giving a plastic wheel here for a premium car and it doesn't even roll well in the track, in your own track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.